There are three formulas that can help you when you are using spreadsheets: Count, CountA, and CountIf. The count formula allows you to count the numbers, the number of numerical entries in a spreadsheet. So if I start with equal and I go to my count function, it wants to know what my values are. So I'm just going to go ahead and select all of these values and hit enter. And it says that I have 60 numerical values. And if you look, it starts on 2. I have 3 rows, or 20 in each row, so that's right. If I do count A, that's going to count numerical entries and text entries. So I start off typing equals count A, and it wants to know what my values are for that. So I'm going to select the same group of data, hit enter, and you can see now that I have 84. Because I have 20 entries over here that are letters, and then 4 entries at the top that are letters. So my 60 plus my 14 that are letters gives me 84. The most useful one is CountIf. With a CountIf, I can count numbers that are a certain number. Like if I want to know how many of my students got 100, for instance, I can use a CountIf. So I'm going to say equals CountIf. What's my range? I'll just go ahead and use these numbers because I know that I'm going to be looking for a number. And it says, what's your range, comma, what's your criteria? So, comma, I want my criteria to be to look for 100s. So I'm going to put it in quotation marks and then hit enter, and it will tell me that I have 16 100s. And you can go over and check to make sure that that's right. You can also use other things, like if I wanted to change this CountIf to say, instead of being equal to 100, I could say CountIf anything that's greater than 70. And when I hit enter, now I have a different number because I'm looking at things greater than 70. So you can try the grades greater than 88 on your own, but Count and CountIf are handy tools to know.